In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly export your artwork as an SVG file, ensuring it's perfectly tailored for your specific needs, whether that's web use, cutting machines, or anything in between. Now, let's dive in and transform your digital creations into a versatile SVG format with ease. First, we'll need to navigate to the File menu. From there, what you'll want to do is find and select Export. This is where the magic begins as we prepare to convert your work into a format that's both scalable and widely compatible across different platforms and devices. Once the export dialog appears, the key step is to choose SVG as your file format. SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics, is a great choice because it allows your designs to retain their quality no matter the size, making them perfect for both online use and precise manufacturing needs. After selecting SVG, you'll notice there are preset options available. You might see choices such as SVG for export or SVG for web. These presets are essentially tailored settings that can optimize your file for its intended use. For instance, the SVG for export option is generally great for achieving a standard, versatile output, while SVG for web is specifically fine-tuned for online environments, ensuring smooth display on websites and applications. Next up, let's click on More, or the Advanced options, to fine-tune the details. Here, it's crucial to make sure that the option to export text as curves or to convert text to curves is enabled. This checkbox is incredibly important because it prevents any potential font substitution issues. When your text is converted to curves, it essentially becomes part of the graphics, ensuring that it looks exactly as you intended, regardless of whether the viewer has the specific font installed on their device. For those exporting art meant for the web, we want to ensure our artwork is aligned on whole pixels. This step is vital for achieving crisp and clear output, avoiding any unwanted blurriness or distortion in your final design. However, if your goal is to export for a cutting machine or software requiring precise dimensions, double-check that your document's DPI and unit settings match what the cutter expects. Most cutting machines work with a standard of 96 DPI, but it's always a good idea to confirm these specifications to ensure the final cut is as accurate as possible. Additionally, verify that the width and height in your SVG settings are correct, so the output matches your exact requirements. Once you're satisfied with all the settings and options, go ahead and hit Export. You'll then be prompted to choose the destination for your file and give it a suitable file name. After saving, your beautifully crafted SVG is ready to go. Whether it's heading to a website or into the hands of a cutting device, rest assured that your design will maintain its integrity. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.